It was Rumi, the philosopher, who said that bats are not afraid of the sun itself. They are afraid of the idea of the sun. And so if you find yourself being afraid of playing your low notes, you're not afraid of playing the low notes. You're afraid of the idea that you will squeak, afraid of the idea that they're difficult to play, afraid of the idea that they take a lot of energy to play. And so part of the reason why your low notes suck is that you've been avoiding them for a long time. And by avoiding them, you've been looking on YouTube and Google for the latest gimmick, the latest trick to play those low notes. There is no trick, there is no shortcut, there is no microwaving. The way to get these low notes playing, you have to practice them and you have to incorporate them into your practice routine. Another reason why your low notes suck is that you only play in the middle of the horn and in the upper register of the horn, and so you don't incorporate any kind of low note practice in your normal routine, and so that causes your low notes to suck. Another reason why your low notes suck is that you play them once, and because they don't come out right, you never play them again and you leave them there. You have to understand that mountains only rise and become mountains out of earthquakes, and cactuses only strive in heat. So the way to get these low notes out, you have to challenge yourself. But at the same time, you have to think about low notes like a huge rock. And beneath this rock is a piece of artwork, a piece of sculpture, if you may. So you can't blast it, you can't bulldoze it, you can't shovel it, you cannot dynamite it. What you have to do is chisel away at it. And so you are the person who is in control of playing these low notes. It's not the reed, it's not the ligature, it's not the mouthpiece, it's not the saxophone. Wait, well, if the reed is too hard, it will be difficult to play the low notes. And if your saxophone is leaking, it will be difficult also to play these low notes. But those aside, the main reason why you can't play those low notes in a clean way is because you are not practicing the low notes. So you have to incorporate them into your daily practice, and then each day you chisel away at them. Remember when you just started playing the saxophone, you would squeak even in the middle of the horn and so on, but after a while the squeaking goes away, then you can play with the octave key and you can play in the upper registers of the horn and so on. Come on, you have it inside of you to play those low notes just the same. You have to give them that love and that attention that you give to the other notes, and they will come out beautifully. Now, if you want my help to show you how to play these low notes, then check the link in the description below. I have a course on my website that I'm offering. You can use the coupon code SHAPES to get $5 off that course. I show you exactly what to do in order to be able to play your low notes from your low B flat, your low B, your low C, your low D flat or C sharp, and your low D. Don't wait around. Don't try looking for other shortcuts and gimmicks. The way to do it is to incorporate them into your daily practice and stop letting those low notes suck. Come on, click the link in the description and go check out that course right now. And as always, Saxo friend, push, play until something happens. Peace.